So a challenge virus is where we manufacture a virus specifically with the purpose of administrating it into humans as part of a human viral challenge study. So it's a very controlled, manufactured version of the virus. hVIVO have been manufacturing viruses now to conduct our challenge studies for the past 20 years. So we have a good long history of manufacturing respiratory challenge viruses. We've conducted these in manufacturing suites around the world, from the UK and the USA all included. So the way we start the virus production process typically is that it starts with a clinical sample, because these are viruses which are endemic in the world, i.e. people are contracting these diseases naturally. So the best source of these viruses to make a challenge virus is a clinical sample itself from someone who has got the actual disease. To manufacture a challenge virus, it goes through a very similar process to the manufacturing of a vaccine. So firstly, you amplify up your virus under very controlled conditions in a manufacturing facility. Once you've done that and frozen it down, you must then do what's called a fill-finish procedure, where we actually aliquot the virus into many different ampules, so that when we come to inoculate volunteers, it is already frozen down in one single vial. And this makes it critical such that we can have a very reproducible infection each time, because every ampule is already made and been qualified and tested to be the right level of virus in the GMP manufacturing facility. So to determine if the virus we've manufactured is suitable for inoculation into people, there are two types of testing that we're doing. Firstly, we have tests from the actual environment and the space it was manufactured. And these are to demonstrate that there was no other contaminants in the space at the time. This gives a lot of reassurances that nothing is contaminating the sample. And then, secondly, we must interrogate the actual challenge virus we've produced to make sure itself doesn't have any other contaminants. So this is a very involved process with taking PCR tests and looking for a wide range of potential pathogens. It needs to get negative for all of those potential contaminants before we're then happy that the only pathogen in there is the challenge virus that we need it to be.